In this video, I'm going to be talking about the future of NAT stock and what you need to know right now. So let's get into it right away. NAT stock ended today at 450. It was up today, but as you all know, NAT stock has been doing crazy things. No one really knows if it's going up or down or what it's going to do, but there are things that I suggest you take a look at and for future purposes, whether you like it or not, whether you invested in it and you don't like it anymore. But here are the reasons. So as you can see right over here, this is the price that it ended at today. And now as you can see over here, that I'm getting a dividend of $2 off of this stock. It will be the second dividend payment in this portfolio. And if you don't know what this is a beginner dividend portfolio that I've created for this YouTube series. So if you want to learn more about it and really watch some more videos on it, make sure to subscribe so you can watch more. I come out with new videos on this portfolio a lot, so make sure you subscribe for more of that. Anyways, getting back into the NAT stock part is this dividend is the second payout. The first, as you guys know, if you were here previously, if you do not know, it was Wells Fargo with the 51 cent dividend. But NAT stock has given me a hefty $2.80, and for this portfolio, that is the biggest dividend payout because it's the second one. But anyways, so what I wanted to talk about NAT stock is where the future's at, what basically the company has in store for the future. I know there are some people that think other companies are in better positions, but like Financial Education has said in his videos, they remade their company. Now, whenever you're investing in stocks, you want to, in my opinion, disclaimer, don't sue me, in my opinion, and for the just a common rule of investing that everybody knows is you invest in the business, not the numbers. And yes, okay, if you say the numbers don't work, blah 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 blah, but really think about it. The numbers work if the business works, if the business model is good, and if the business model is what you agree with. Those are the types of things you should invest in. So whenever you're looking at a potential stock you want to buy, look at the business, look at the business model. And with NAT stock, they've restructured their infrastructure of their business for the better. And that's going to play long term. And moving forward is on their balance sheet. On their balance sheet, we're starting to see a lot of cash and a little bit of stability growing. Now, not a lot, but if you look into NAT stock, you can kind of see it's kind of calming down. There's a little bit of stability growing in their balance sheet, which is going to appeal to other investors. So if you are going to get an NAT stock, I'd suggest, my personal opinion, I would do it now because of this. The stock is starting to level off in between the $4.30 and the $4.80, and now if you look at it, it's between $4.40 and now $4.60, and it's just kind of riding in between. And a bunch of big players are going to see that, and they're going to recognize that. They're going to see the stability on the balance sheet. They're going to see how much they're making. They're going to see all this stuff, and then you look into these big players are going to look into what is going on in the business, and they're going to dump money into it. So where do I think NAT stock is going in the future? I think NAT stock is going to go up in price. I can't say how much. Nobody knows how much. I think NAT stock is going to go up in the future, and I also think that the dividends are going to be raised pretty significantly. I'm watching out for that date when they release all the info on that. But if I were to get into NAT stock, if I hadn't been getting in on it, I would get in on it now, just because how low the price is. Even if you think it's going to go back to a $2 stock, I don't think it will, because they're making too much money. the stability is getting there in the balance sheet, and big investors are going to realize that. And third of all, there's just so much money being made by the company compared to years before. Like how much they're going to make this year compared to previous years. Previous years they've been losing a lot of money. This year they're going to make a crap ton of money. And that's the kind of thing that affects stock prices and dividends and all that. So that is why I'm holding strong in NAT. And if you disagree with me or have anything that I left out, leave it down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.